Welcome to 5625 Crest Court, located just 5 minutes outside the charming village of Dexter and only a 15-minute drive to Ann Arbor. This 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-story colonial-style home sits on over 2 acres and offers over 2,900 square feet of space. The exterior features Hardie Plank siding and brick, assuring the homeowner of virtually no maintenance. On a clear sunny day, the passive solar electric system produces between 40 and 48 kilowatt-hours, which exceeds the needs of the home even with air conditioning running. Enjoy the beautiful flower and vegetable garden, apple and peach trees, and the spectacular vineyard. Or relax on the choice composite deck and take in the amazing views. The interior has plenty to offer as well, including a first floor master, hickory plank floors, a soaring 2-story great room, wine cellar, and more. Join us while we tour this amazing home. Thanks for visiting 5625 Crest Court. For more information on this listing or any other, please contact Rob Ewing. The nearby city of Dexter has a lot to offer. There are some great restaurants doing exciting things every week, as well as the opportunity to enjoy professional musical theater performances at the Encore Theater Company. Beyond the arts, Dexter takes full advantage of its close proximity to some of the country's best parks and recreational areas. You'll find gorgeous Mill Creek Park on the northwest side of town, offering great sunset views and an all-new border-to-border trail, which runs over 30 miles in total, connecting downtown directly to the Metro Park system through a series of lovely trails and boardwalks.